Hello students, welcome back. Today I will start your new lesson inside our earth. Previous chapter we already learned about environment which is directly related to outside our earth. But in this chapter we have learned about inside our earth. Basically what actually have inside our earth, that is our main topic. So let's start. In this chapter our main content is first about the earth, layers of the earth, crust, mantle, core, rocks and minerals, types of rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rock, metamorphic rock and rock cycle. About the earth, 3 points are there. First is the earth, our homeland, is a dynamic planet. Earth is our planet, we all know that, and this is our homeland and it is a very much dynamic planet. Second is it is constantly undergoing changes inside and outside. Outside constantly change, we all know that, but inside also earth is constantly changing. Okay. Third is the radius of the earth is about 6371 kilometer. This is very much important point. The radius of the earth is about 6371 kilometer. Next is interior of the earth. Just like an onion, the earth is made of several concentric layers with one inside another. All of you see this diagram. This one earth and this one onion. So our structure of inside our earth compared with the onion, because let's see, the half of the onion, different layers are there. You all are notice that different layers are there. Okay. Inside our earth also different layers are there. That's why we are compared the earth with onion. Okay. So let's start. Layers of the earth. So how many layers are there? Basically 3 layers are there. First is crust, second mantle and third core. Again the diagram you all are noticed properly. This diagram is very much important in your textbook also. This diagram is there and very much important diagram. Uppermost layer is crust, second is mantle and last one core, that is the inner layer, innermost layer. Core is also divided by 2 layers, inner core and outer core. Okay. Now crust. Definition: the uppermost layer of the earth is called crust. Okay. सबसे ऊपर का जो layer है, this is called crust. I think you know about environment because previous chapter we have already learned about environment. In environment chapter, lithosphere is also there. है ना? Remember that lithosphere. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is basically the solid portion of the earth, okay, which is covered with the soil. This is actually crust. Okay. Lithosphere is just like crust. Next, the characteristics of the crust. So what is characteristics? First, the crust is very thin with an average thickness of 35 kilometer, which is the thinnest layer of all layers of the earth. So average thickness is 35 kilometer and this layer is the thinnest layer. Second is the crust is not uniformly thick at all places. Okay. Third, it is thinner under the oceans and thicker under the continents, है ना? So now the second point, the crust is not uniformly thick at all places. Some places is thin and some places are thicker. So which place is thin? Under the ocean is thinner and under the continents is thicker. So basically crust is two types. Under the ocean also crust is there and under the continents also crust is there. Okay. Next, we can divide the crust into two parts, continental crust and oceanic crust. Now we have learned about continental crust and oceanic crust. So continental crust, what is? First point, about 35 kilometer thick on average, and oceanic crust about 5 kilometer thick on average. Now let's see these points. It is thinner under the ocean, thin hai. So under the ocean, what is the 5 kilometer thick of average, and this thicker under the continents. So what is the thickness? 35. So clear, under the continent the thickness of crust is 35 kilometer, and under the ocean the thickness of earth is 5 kilometer. Okay. Next point, what is the composition? Main rock composition in continental crust is granite, and main rock composition in oceanic crust is basalt. Okay. Third point, dominated by silica and aluminium, and this is dominated by silica and magnesium. It is also known as Sial, and it is also known as Sima. That is very much important, Sial and Sima. Sial, Si means silica, Al means aluminium. Okay, dominated by silica and aluminium, that's why this is known as the Sial. And now just say that Sima, Si means silica and Ma means magnesium. So this is known as Sima. Okay, understand? Next is the mantle. So what is the definition? The layer beneath the crust is known as mantle with a depth of 2900 kilometer. Okay, so below the crust the layer is mantle, and the depth of the mantle is 2900 kilometer. So now characteristics of mantle. First is, it is the middle and the thickest layer of the earth. So now see this diagram. Mantle is the thick layer, है ना? So it's very much thick than crust. Crust portion is very much thin, है ना? But mantle portion is thick. Okay. So this is it is the middle and the thickest layer of the earth. Second is, the mantle consists of hot, dense, semi-solid rocks. It is about 2900 kilometer in thickness. So what is the thickness of mantle? It is 2900 kilometer. Next, temperature and pressure increase with depth in this layer. Okay, so the general characteristics, what is it? कि हम जितना डेप्थ में जाएंगे हमारा टेम्परेचर और प्रेशर उतना ही बढ़ता जाएगा. ठीक है, सो मीन्स द पॉजिटिव रिलेशंस आर देयर विथ टेम्परेचर, प्रेशर एंड डेप्थ. So means when the depth are increase, so temperature and pressure also increase. ठीक है. Last point, high temperature and pressure in the mantle allows the solid rock to flow slowly. Okay. Next is core. That is the last layer and that is innermost layer. So what is the definition? The innermost layer of the earth, mainly made of nickel and ferrous, is called core. What is the characteristics? It is the innermost layer of the earth. It is about 3500 kilometer thick. Okay, so what is the thickness of this layer? 3500 kilometer. Okay, so now अभी तुम लोग पूछोगे कि मैम हाँ 3500 इसका है तो मैंटल का 2900 किलोमीटर थिकनेस है. सो वाई मैंटल इज द वेरी मच थिकेस्ट लेयर? बिकॉज दिस इज द core is shaped just like round shape. Okay, so see this is the shape of core. Okay, round shape. So that's why the mantle is the thickest layer and the core thickness is the 3500. Next is, it is the densest layer of the earth. Okay, next it is made of nickel and iron and is called Nife. So the core, another name is Nife. Why? Nife, Ni means nickel and Fe means iron. The Latin name of iron is ferrous. So that's why the core, another name is Nife. Temperature of this layer is high enough to melt all the metals. Means इस layer में temperature सबसे ज़्यादा है. I already told कि when the depth are increased, so that means the temperature and pressure is also increased. So core is the very much innermost layer. So naturally the temperature and pressure is very much high in this layer. So जितना हम लोग डेप्थ में जाएंगे टेम्परेचर एंड प्रेशर उतना ही बढ़ेगा. ठीक है. सो टेम्परेचर यहाँ पर इतना ज़्यादा है कि एवरीथिंग, ऑल द मेटल्स आर मेल्ट. ओके, दिस इज द 3 layers of the earth. So first is the crust, second mantle and third core. Crust is 2 types, oceanic crust and continental crust. Mantle is the second layer and that is the thickest layer, and the lastly innermost layer is called core, and core, the another name is Nife, because the core is, let's see, the core is made of nickel and iron. The Latin name is ferrous, so that's why core, another name is Nife. Thank you, students.